Getting a free Discord Nitro subscription is a pretty simple thing to do, and in this video I will be showing you step by step how to avail that free Nitro subscription for 2 weeks or 1 month. So in this video I will be showing you ways to get a virtual credit card or debit card so you don't have to get an official bank account in order to process that thing. So make sure that you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. If you're new to the video, make sure you hit the bell icon, subscribe to our channel, like the video, share the video, and comment under the video. So let's dive right into the video. So I will be providing the scroll link in the description below so you guys can check it out. So what you have to do is to simply go to the setting and go to the Nitro. Here you will see different sort of options right here. Nitro Basic and Nitro Plus. So in the Nitro Plus, here you guys can see that I have a free trial notification right here. If I go ahead and click on it, it will say yearly or monthly. So if I go with the monthly basis and go ahead and click on next, it will ask me for a card. So if I don't own a bank account, I won't have a debit card or credit card. So in order to get a free debit card or credit card, we can get that virtually. So make sure you follow the video so you guys can know about how you can get it. So the number one website is Citibank. So in the Citibank, you can simply create an official online account and you can get a virtual card for it. So if you get a virtual card and you don't put your money inside it, you can still use that card in order to get the free subscription for trial purposes. So that's how you can do it. The second and the most legitimate website that I preferably use is privacy.com. So in the privacy.com, all you have to do is to simply go ahead and log in with your official account, or if you don't have an account, you can sign up. So once you have done that, basically what does this website do is it provides the virtual debit cards and virtual credit cards for different sort of purposes. So here you guys can see if I click on the pricing and plans option, it will redirect me to the pricing and plans where there are multiple plans and pricing options. So for me, if I'm telling you about the free thing, so we're gonna go with the personal plan which costs $0. So it says that create up to 12 new cards per month. Merchant logged and single use cards. Send spend limit on a transaction and monthly, annual, or total spend basis. Pause and close cards. 3% fee on foreign transaction, minimum 0.50, and it costs you $0. So if you go with this plan, what you will have is 12 cards per month. So you guys can use one card with the Discord in order to get the free subscription for trial purposes. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.